Hello everybody and welcome to the newest Static Studios video. In this video we're gonna be adding a bunch of new stuff to the game Skatepark Neon City. In the middle of these two episodes, since this is the second devlog, I have added new roads so that the map looks less horrible, but the lighting is still glitched. I'm gonna try and fix this up later. Uh, and remember guys to comment if you have any more ideas for colors to put in the Neon City or just any colors, because these buildings are literally so horrible. Any color would look good. You don't even need neon colors. But anyway, so my friend Ninja, he has made a new skateboard dude for the game, and so he's also, you can check out his video, links in the description. It's really cool and he shows you how to do it as well. He's and so yeah, I'm just gonna import this dude here. First though, I just realized we have to rename it. Skateboard Kid is not good enough. Skateboard dude guy stuff. That sounds much better. Okay. But anyway, I'm just gonna put this guy in. So this is our finished model, our T-posing skateboardy dude. He's a little geometrical and polygony, but he's pretty small compared to the rest of the map, and he's not exactly gonna show up very well in the mobile version when it's done. So the first thing I actually want to do is, I've realized these buildings are a little small compared to him. If you guys have noticed. So as soon as I just turn this guy to exactly negative 90 degrees, these buildings are literally so small. But anyway, I'm just gonna fix up the buildings and get back. Okay, so I've made the buildings a little bigger, and the next thing I think we're gonna need to do is make a few more buildings after I fix this thing. So what I think we might need to make is probably a tiny house, something like a small house, something like that. And then maybe also like a town hall, and those will be like extra hard challenges because they'll have like the type of roof you make when you're like a tiny kid who can't do any drawing, right? So yeah, we'll probably just build something like that if I can fix this, that is. And okay, so for this first level I've also made a little gap here now that we're done, and I fixed it up. This is just a surprise gap to annoy people and stuff. But anyway, the next thing I wanna do is actually make a new cube. Actually, what am I doing? I'm gonna make, that's just dumb. That was dumb. Create an empty thing and call it town hall. So the first thing I think we're gonna need to do is just duplicate that and put it there. And then just unpack prefab completely, and it is no longer a prefab. Now we're just gonna go into town. Now we're just gonna do that to town hall and go in. So the first thing we're gonna need to do for town hall is probably gonna be just delete the windows. We can make them look different and add them later. And probably just gonna make it a little looks correcting. First we're gonna need to make it look kinda thick. Okay, so I'll be back when I'm done with the building, and tiny house. Okay, so I've added these things in. We have a extremely thick town hall and a extremely unthick or thin tiny house, which is gonna be really annoying to jump through. Tiny houses are basically gonna be like drop jumps where you're gonna have to fall, then go wee, and jump. Okay, that was the worst sound effect I could have ever made in my life, but whatever. And yeah, so that's what you're gonna do for that. And the next thing I'm thinking we should start is actually coding. Okay, so we're gonna start coding our skatey guy. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is obviously get to him. Then, to make him able to move and like do stuff, we're gonna have to add a component to him called a rigid body. So add components, rigid body. So basically what the rigid body does is makes him a body. And so if we just come in here and actually just, we're gonna have to, if I want to show you, I'll have to move the camera. Main camera dude, where are you? Seriously, where the hell is this main camera? What the hell? Our main camera has left us, I think. Oh no, here it is. We're just gonna have to move him over to the start of the level. Now we can see that our flying dude guy weirdo is there, and what we're gonna have to do is, as soon as we start it, because he's a rigid body, he's gonna go fall, fall, fall. Oh no, he fell over. Okay, well that's a problem. I'll check that out. Ready, but as you can see, it doesn't really work. Yeah, wrong way. So let's fix this up and fail. And another fail. Yeah, that's probably a fail. And this is getting tedious now. It works. Kind of. Ish. Let's try that again. And yeah, let's call that a skateboard trick instead of a fail. Bright side, people. Look on the bright side. But yeah, that's probably as far as we can get for now, since there's like way too many problems and I probably did like 10 times as much code as I needed. But another thing I might be having wrong is because the mass is 60 kilos, and if he's almost like almost almost like an eighth of the size of a building, I don't think he's 60 kilos, so let's make that random number. That was wrong. Random number. Good enough. Let's try this now. Okay. So, and you may have noticed I've moved this camera because otherwise you can't really see. I mean, we still can't see, but like I can't get this done right. So that's all I can do for now. And I guess let's just put the camera back, because I mean, I don't exactly see people playing this super famous awesome game from this angle. So let's just put the camera around here, I guess, looking at the road and stuff. So remember to like put in anything you like want in the game. You can put in some buildings if you want me to put in the game, or also some colors if you want me to put on the buildings. And also, one more thing you can do is put in the comments whether you'd like this to be a mobile or a computer game. Then I will change up the input like that. Maybe add some joysticks or something. But for now, I'm just gonna align with view. Not him, the camera. That was dumb. But anyway, yeah, so bye guys, and yeah. So remember to like and subscribe if you want more content of a weirdo falling and a weirdo coding. So, yeah, bye guys, and hope to see you again next time.